Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Learning Literature with Priyanka. This video is on a very interesting topic, calls of animals, insects and birds. এই ভিডিওটিতে আমি various animals, birds এবং insects দের ডাক বা কলস কে কি বলা হয় সেই নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। এই ভিডিওটি একটু ডিফারেন্ট টপিকের উপর। Continue watching, let's start. Apes, gibber. Bees, buzz. Birds, chirp. Camels, trumpet. Cats, mew. Cocks, crow. Cows, moo. Cricket, squeak. Crows, caw. Deer, bell. Dogs, bark. Donkeys, bray. Ducks, quack. Eagles, scream. Elephants, trumpet. Flies, buzz. Frogs, croak. Goats, bleat. Hens, cackle. Hyenas, laugh. Horses, neigh. Jackals, howl. Lambs, bleat. Lions, roar. Mice, squeak. Nightingales, wobble. Monkeys, screech. Owls, hoot. Auks, bellow. Pigeons, coo. Pigs, grunt. Ravens, croak. Sheep, bleat. Snakes, hiss. Tigers, roar. Wolf, whine.